right, in this video, we're going to look at printing our quote or invoice onto one page and also maybe creating a PDF that we could maybe email to the client and do it that way. So printing is pretty easy. Let's go to File, click on Print and pick your printer from this option here. Make sure the page size is correct and yeah, hit the big gold print button. The one thing you might find is that my preview is looking great, but often it can be split across 2 pages and they're just a bit weird. So the first thing to check is that your letter size down here, if you're in the US, you're using US letter. If you're anywhere else, using maybe the A4 size. Okay, just make sure that corresponds with back in here under page layout, under size is what you're using in here. So you might have opened up a template from online and it's set up to letter, but you're trying to print on A4 and things aren't lining up perfect. Okay, so just make sure those 2 match up. The other thing you can do to make sure everything lines up is to set your print area. Okay, so you can select all of the cells. Okay, so everything that's on your page that you want to print. Okay, and coming down here. So this is everything on this page here. If you can't see it in this format, okay, go up to Home, go to View, and it'll be on Page Layout. Then you're going to figure out what's going to go on your page, okay? And then go to Page Layout, and there's an option here that says Print Area. Okay, so print area and say set print area. That's just telling Excel, this is the stuff I want printed. None of this extra junk that I have lying around, just the stuff, please. Then when you go to File, Print, often it will be on one page. So next up is to make a PDF that we can email out or send to someone another way. Okay, so you can do it. There's 100 different ways in Excel, turns out. Under Print, you might have a PDF printer like I've got. Okay, I can do it that way. I can go to Save As, and I can go to this drop down here, and there's a PDF there. Okay, I can go to Share, and I can go to Email, and I can say Send as a PDF. It's going to generate the PDF and add another step by dumping it into your Outlook email system. If you're using Outlook, this is really handy. I don't. I use Gmail, so I have to make a PDF. Okay, and then I have to make a PDF and then send it out separately or attach it separately using Gmail. You might have noticed on my one, I've got a few extra options that you might not have. See this one that's Send as PDF? It's very same as this one, right? But I've used the word Adobe in here. It's because I've got something installed called Adobe Document Cloud, I think they call it, or Acrobat Reader, or I've got Acrobat Professional installed. It just adds a few little extras to this. Okay, so I could use that one. You probably don't have them though. And that's a little extra one as well you probably don't have. This is a little extra one you probably don't have. So loads of extra PDFs. But don't worry, you've got more too. Let's go to Export. And we can go to this one. Here's the one you probably have, Create PDF. We can generate this one here. Okay, all roads lead to here. We've got a PDF. We're going to give it a name. I'm going to call mine, the next invoice is going to be 100. So, okay, and that's it. I'm going to open mine after publishing. I'm going to hit publish. Hopefully it's going to open up in whatever your default reader is. It's probably going to be Acrobat Reader, hopefully. Okay, and yeah, there you go. I've got it. I can go and find it on my desktop somewhere and I can attach it to my email. There it is there. Great. So that is how to print and how to make a PDF. If you're having problems, drop me a line in the comments, questions, because sometimes it's a bit of a pain getting these things all to line up on print properly. Yeah, all right, I will see you in the next video.